Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 10.4 and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this tablet. So to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, and once your content is open and visible on the screen, hold power key and volume down at the same time. And there we go, there's our screenshot. Now additionally, there's another way of taking that screenshot. So if you have a pen, like I do right now, when you tap on it, it brings up this little thing right here, and you can then take a snippet. Now this will allow you to capture a portion of it, so you just kind of like stretch it, as you can see, and then resize it. Oops. There we go, good enough. Let's save it. So both of those screenshots, or maybe 3 of them, let's see how many I took. Yep, it looks like I took 3, can be found in your Photos application under Albums, Screenshots. As you can see, there's the cropped one, here's the previous one, and this is the normal screenshot. So anyway, this is how you can capture a screenshot, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.